All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
Pilots tasked with flying the aircraft donated by India are facing incapacity issues. Ghassan Mamoon made the remarks at a press conference held at the President's office here on Saturday to brief the media about the withdrawal of Indian soldiers stationed in the Maldives to operate two helicopters. The Maldives military still does not have pilots capable of operating 3 aircraft donated by India, Defence Minister Ghassan Mamoon has acknowledged, days after 76 Indian defence personnel left the island nation at the instance of Maldives President Mohammad Muizzu. Ghassan Mamoon made the remarks at a press conference held at the President's office here on Saturday to brief the media about the withdrawal of Indian soldiers stationed in the Maldives to operate 2 helicopters and a Dornier aircraft and their replacement with civilians from India. Responding to a question from a journalist, Ghassan Mamoon said there were no Maldivian soldiers with the Maldives National Defence Force, MNDF, who can operate the 3 aircraft donated by the Indian military despite some soldiers who began training to fly them under agreements formed by previous governments. As it was a training that required passing various stages, our soldiers had not reached completion due to various reasons. Therefore, there aren't any people in our force at the moment who are licensed or fully operational to fly the 2 helicopters and Dornier aircraft, Ghassan Mamoon was quoted as saying by Urdu.com news portal. The relations between the two countries came under severe strain after Muizzu, a pro-China leader, insisted on the withdrawal of all Indian military personnel operating the 3 aviation platforms in the island nation by 10th May. India has already withdrawn 76 military personnel. However, the Maldives government has no intention of removing the doctors from India at Senahia Military Hospital, a Maldivian media report said. Contrary to Ghassan Mamoon's remarks, when the current administration's senior officials were in the opposition during the past 5 years, they criticized the previous government and claimed that there were capable pilots in the MNDF, the Urdu.com report noted. Training Maldivians was the main reason for the arrival of Indian soldiers with the helicopters donated during former Presidents Mohammad Nasheed and Abdullah Yamin's governments and the Dornier aircraft brought during former President Ibrahim Mohammad Solih's government, it said. These soldiers were deployed there to operate these aircraft. India had already recalled 76 military personnel. Tension arose between the two countries after Muizzu's move. Last year, he contested the presidential election by speaking against India. Muizzu had been leading the India Out campaign for several years before the election. Then, after becoming president in November 2023, Muizzu demanded the removal of Indian soldiers. He is considered close to China. Strategically, the Maldives is significant for both India and China. Indian soldiers have been stationed on the islands of Lamu and Aru since 2013. India had leased 2 Dhruv helicopters to the Maldives in 2013. Then, in 2020, 1 Dornier aircraft was sent. They are used for surveillance in the Indian Ocean and for medical transport. Indian soldiers had been overseeing these aircraft until now. They also provided training to Maldivian pilots.